Hi everyone, this is Arun Reddy here. Welcome to my YouTube channel Arun Reddy Tech for You. And in this video, we are going to learn tool called Sparklines. So friends, if you want to learn Excel, you can go through my channel playlist, and in playlist you can find Excel for beginners and Excel level 2 folders. And if you don't want to miss my video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share my videos. Coming to Excel, you can see there is a summer sales table which contains branches like Hyderabad, Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore, and summer sales from March to June. Now I want to prepare a graph on March summer sales from March to June. To prepare a graph, I will choose Sparkline. So Sparkline is a mini graph which will fit within a cell. So let us see how it will work. So I will go to the Insert tab. In Insert tab, you can find a Sparkline. In Sparkline, you will find three options. One is a line Sparkline, column Sparkline, win lose Sparkline. Let us see one by one. So let me start with line Sparkline. So if I click on line Sparkline, immediately it will ask the data range. So I will select the sales from March to June, and next it is asking the place where you want to create a create a graph. So I will select as H4 and click OK. Nice. Now you can see there is a graph, line graph. Nice, right? So now you can see here, first March sales was a 2000, which is below. April sales was a 3000, it has gone up. Again May sales, it has come down, and in the June sales it gone up. Nice, nice, right? Suppose if you want to also prepare a line Sparkline for the Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore, you doesn't need to select again and go to the insert button and Sparkline. You can just use a fill handler. So just go to the corner and drag. Nice. Now you can see automatically we have created other graphs for Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Bangalore. Nice, right? Suppose if you want to highlight the highest sales and lowest sales, you can also do this. So just select the area and go to the design. In the design, you will find a highest point and lowest point. Suppose if I click highest point, see, you can see there's a red dots you can see here. So what was the highest point for Hyderabad? It's last one, 3500, and Delhi also it's the last one, 4600. And suppose Chennai, it is a second one, 4600, and Bangalore also you can see it's a second one, 4600. Nice, right? Suppose you want lowest one, you can also select lowest point here. Nice. Now you can see the lowest point. Nice, right? Suppose if you want different color for highest point and lowest point, you can see here there's a mark colors. So if you go to the mark colors, you can directly choose manually. Suppose I want a black color for the lowest point, you can directly choose here. See here, if I go to the lowest point and choose black, see, nice. Now you can see lowest point it is showing as black and highest point is showing as a red. Nice, right? You can also choose from the designs here. See here we have a different designs like a blue, red, light blue, red, dark black, different colors. You can choose anyone. Nice. Suppose if you don't want line but you want a column, so you can also use column chart. So just select the place, go to the column, click OK. Nice. Now you can see your graph is in the form of column. Nice, right? And you can see automatically it is highlighting red color with the highest point and black color with the lowest point. If you don't want, you can also select again highest point, you can remove the highest point. See, if you select again it will come. Nice. So this is how easily we can recognize the highest and lowest point. Suppose if you want to change other than highest lowest, you want the others to look in a green, so you can go to the Sparkline colors and you can also select here green, dark green, select. See, nice, nice, right? You can also select another graph which is called as win and lose. This graph is used when you have any negative values. Suppose if I click win and lose, see, everything is in the straight line, right? Means above the line. Suppose I will enter March sale as minus 2000. So when it is negative value, let us see how it will work. So I will just click minus, tab. Nice. Now you can see only only the first one it is gone down, remaining they are up. Suppose let us go to the May, and I want to minus the May value. So I will just click minus, tab. See, you can see here. Now what happened? First one it is showing down, and second one it is going up, third one again down, fourth one up. Nice, right? So this is how your win and lose graph will show you. Okay, so you can also select different colors if you want. See, here we have a different colors. Nice, right? So let me come back to the column chart. So before coming to the column chart, you can, I will just remove the minus values. Nice, nice. Now if I want to delete the graphs, how can I delete? Just if you select and try to delete, see, it will not go. Then how to remove? You have to go to the clear option. Here you will have a clear option. In that you just click on clear selected sparklines. First select the sparklines and go to the clear and just say clear selected sparklines. Nice. Now your graphs are gone. Nice, right? So this is how sparkline will help us with a easy and simple way. So friends, keep practicing. Thank you.